Tita, hi Kadaling. Miss Miriam, are you ready for the interview?
Yeah.
What
Go.
What is the essence of being a woman?
As is for being a woman, it's like a beauty and brain. Without brain, you cannot do anything.
Ay, ang taray. Yan.
Good morning.
Saan tayo pupunta?
As we're going to Singapore
Diba?
with AdSem Telconsa Corporation. Thanks for our bossing ano ba yun?
Sige. Nag-help a friend na siya. Iniiwasan mo, Mark.
Nag-help ko. Nag-call a friend ako.
Ikaw call a friend pala. Giselle, ano na?
Alma Marisa? Oo, teka. Sabi ko na, wait lang. Ito ba? Parang okay mo na.
Mag-hi ka, sis.
Hi!
Ay. Pasya sa'yo si Tita Marie. So this is our hotel in Singapore. The name is Hotel Jean Bugis Singapore. We booked this hotel sa booking.com and yung pinakamalapit na train station, it was the Bencoolen Station. So from Expo to Bencoolen, dire-diretso na siya. So after we rested for like 3 hours, so we decided na mag-dinner na. And it's already 7 p.m. by that time. And sobrang maaraw pa din and maliwanag. So we decided to go to Bugis Market kasi mura yung food doon and masasarap din. And also we can try local food in Singapore. So ang ginagawa lang namin right now is walking lang kasi na-amaze din yung mga kasama ko sa ambience ng Singapore. So, as all we know that Singapore talaga is sobrang ganda. And siguro ang mga na-encounter namin problem here, it's pera talaga yung dinala namin. Hindi na talaga uso sa kanila yung cash. They always use credit card or online banking for the payment transfer like that. So medyo nahirapan lang kami maghanap ng ganun sa mga restaurants kasi I think it was started last pandemic na lahat ng kanilang payment is through online na. So buti na lang may mga card na gumagana and also nagamit naman namin yung cash namin to buy food, but may mga restaurants lang or food stalls na hindi talaga sila nag-aalaw ng cash. So for our second day, this is the day has come. Every year our company pumupunta talaga kami sa Singapore Expo or the Communic Asia to see some different technologies, yung mga latest technologies na makakapag-provide or alam mo yun, para for the benefits of our company. So, nandito yung mga different cables, fibers, and mga satellites. So, it was really an amazing experience din. For me, kasi pumunta ako ng Singapore last 2022 with the team din. So, ibang tao naman to ngayon. Mga ibang empleyado yung kasama ko. And for every year parang nagbabago and big changes talaga when it comes to technology. So ayun yung mga napansin ko na parang yung mga cables ngayon may mga different colors na kasi parang hindi malito-lito po once na ginamit sa site. And after that we went to the Market Expo. So ito talaga yung parang food center din here in Singapore. And guys, sobrang struggle dito kasi as I said earlier that the money or yung cash talaga is not allowed na anymore sa mga different stalls. Sobrang hirap. So we had to, I think, sa mga gusto pumunta ng Singapore, just use your credit card and or mga debit card. Ayun. So ang hirap talagang makahanap ng cash lang yung babayaran kasi dala lang talaga namin yung cash kasi budget trip to for our company. So, hindi naman kami pwede mag-splurge ng pera. So, for our next errand is we went to different places or tourist attraction here in Singapore. So we went to Little India to see the Haji Lane, and while waiting for the bus, so si Tita Marie, as our birthday girl for today, happy birthday Tita, post lang siya. So we went to Sentosa, Resorts World, Universal Studio, different area dun sa Sentosa area. So by this guys, by this transpo, cash is not allowed as well. So card lang yung pwede mong gamitin. So, that time I used my debit card para makapag-tap kami at makapasok kami sa loob ng train. Then, makakapunta na kami sa Universal Studios and sa beach, sa Siloso Beach. Then, ayan, ito na yung aming last day for our Singapore trip. So, we decided na one day lang yung Merlion Park, Marina Bay Sands, and yung Gardens by the Bay. So we went to Merlion Park para makapag-take ng photo. So sabi ni Madam na kailangan daw makapagpa-picture sila sa Merlion nang nakanganga kasi yun yung pinakauso. So habang nagpapa-picture yung tita ko, hinaharangan siya ng isang afam na para wala makapag-disturbo sa kanya while taking photos. And ang nakakaloka, nakipusing din yung afam. And after that, we went to Marina Bay Sands. Nag-stroll lang kami and nagbayad yun ni Viaclook for the Marina Bay Sands Sky Park kung saan makikita yung Gardens by the Bay and yung buong city ng Singapore.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.